In this video, I'll be showing how to graph linear inequalities. So if we have the inequality y is less than or equal to negative x plus 4. Now graphing inequalities is just like graphing normal lines. It's still essentially y equals mx plus b form, except you have, instead of an equal sign, you have an inequality sign. So in this one is already in the y equals mx plus b form, where our slope is -1 and our y-intercept is 4. So and the first step is just to graph the y-intercept at 0, 4. And then now use our slope to finish the line. So our slope is -1, so it would go down 1 and then over 1 to the right. And then we could go down 1 and over 1 to the right again, down 1 over to the right, and then we could go up 1 over to the left. Now we have enough points. So now we look at the inequality sign, and it's less than or equal to. And if it's ever less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, you draw a solid line. However, if it was just a normal less than or greater than, then the line would be dotted. And now the last part is the shading. So in order to do the shading, you just pick a point that's obviously nowhere near this line or not on this line. The easiest point to pick would be 0, 0. So what you do is you just plug in 0 for the y and 0 for the x, so you're left with 0. And then the x would just cancel out, so it'll just be 0. 0 is less than or equal to 4. And if this statement right here, 0 is less than or equal to 4, is true, then you would shade toward that point. And then, however, if this statement was false, like let's say it was 0 is greater than or equal to 4, then you would shade away from that point. So since it's true, we would shade all this area right here on this side of the line, on the side where the point 0, 0 is. So the graph is our final answer.